i-address dito sa fourth set para hindi na mangyari yung mangyari sa third set.
Well, I think they had a lot of errors then nung third set. And one of the evident errors na nakita natin na medyo naka-affect din sa parang focus nila. Hindi nila...
Parang naapektuhan sila talaga.
Hindi nila alam kung saan ba talaga sila dapat pupwesto. But I think important thing as well is after that, they were able to talk things out and naging okay yung pwestuhan nila, but not until naging okay na yung set plays ng Capital One.
Hindi malaman kung ano sasabihin. So then, Coach Koji just said, okay, that's enough. We get back on the court. Let's sort it out. This one in play. Onto recovered nicely that time by Durendes. Nice set. But recovered by the back row. The strike, yes, it's 3-0.
Good start by Farm Fresh.
Good catch. Paraginot is now the setter for Capital One. Here she is. The tap. To no avail. Picked up nicely. Back row strike. Here comes this attack. And Tubo knocks it in.
That was a good set as well from Durendes. Ang ganda.
Dami ng catch and throw sa araw na ito. Nako, alanganin.
Oh! Miscommunication.
3-ball ito. Hindi, palo. Maragino, palo. Yes, into an open spot. 4-0 na kanina. And ngayon, 3 straight. Tubo, hulog. Alam mo, may tendency pagka nilalaro mo si Tricia Tubo, pinapanood mo siya.
Hindi mo alam kung saan dada.
So too many things happening at the same time. Marami masyado. Dalawa lang yung kamay niya. Baon. Regalo. Bit of a joust, not firm. And that is inside. 7-4 count here.
The defense.
Nice reverse.
Oh!
Hulog. Nicely done.
She really wouldn't take credit of everything because for the past coaches, the past teams that she's been in as well, she'll definitely give credit to those people. Back to you, Seven Panay.
And saka matutulog din kayo. Roommates yung iba. Ugali ng bawat isa nakakikilala. Look at this. Farm Fresh re-establishing its authority in this game. Pero yung vertical niya matindi.
And even sa blocking nga, yung vertical, ang taas ng vertical niya, ang ganda ng pwesto.
Tinaas. Off the block. Picked up by Marina. Pushed into that open space.
It was a delayed block from Cherry Nunag, but still,
12-6 lamang ang Farm Fresh.
Steady serve.
Ganda. Steady na. Tulis na tulis. Tusok yun.
Of course, if you're Farm Fresh naman, you have this much lead. 10 points. Hindi mo napapakawalan to, especially you're down by 1 set.
On the other hand, if you're Capital One, yes. Hirap yung 20 na.
Doon na mahirap makakuha ng puntos or dikit-dikit.
Alanganin.
But
Ginawa
good
ng parang,
coverage.
lunod pero naiahon. Oh, yes sir! Chance.
Oh.
Yes.
Short ball.
Oo. Tagulo kayo dyan, sabi ni Louie. One more time around the block.
I think the set was low for Arce.
24-12, set point. 1 set point save. And here we go.
Yes.
Why not? As sweet as the sugar from these parts, we're going to a delicious 5th set to decide on who will take this game on tour.